Nature. From the bright blue skies to the flowers that we see on a daily, every time we walk past by, from everything that we see, from the calming green scenery to the beautiful view of the sea. This wonderful world of ours just continues to grow and become even more beautiful with every passing second and hour. Now, yes, our world does consist of various beautiful skyscrapers, but no amount of man-made buildings or infrastructures could ever match the astonishing and jaw-dropping beauty of Mother Nature.